you ever wondered what your gay friends are talking about? Or just curious on how they understand each other by using gay lingo? Hello guys, it's me again, your friend Scott, and welcome back to my channel. Understanding gay lingo is not as hard as I thought it was. Most of the time, they just replace words that are closest to how it sounds. So let us not waste time and let us start learning the BEKI lingo. For this episode, let us see how they use names of famous celebrities to describe or replace certain words. But before we start, please hit that subscribe button and the notification bell para updated kayo sa mga bago kong videos. Let us start with the most famous, Hagardo Versosa, which means haggard or hulas na hulas. Halle Berry, halitosis, bad breath. Kylie Jenner, armpit or in Tagalog, kili. Janet Jackson, mainit. Luz Valdez or Lotlot de Leon, talo or natalo. Yula Valdez, matanda, ulyanin or senile. Julie Vega, it means nahuli. Bong Navarro, nabugbog or mabugbog, mabong Navarro ka dyan. Don Silueta, of course, Don Silueta mo ko. Miss Colombia, sayo na corona, naagaw pa sayo. Nabea Alonso, na-ghosting or dined pa ng jowa. Bad Gerald. It is not hard to learn these terms, diba? And all you need to do is be creative and use common sense when they suddenly use this term in front of you. So kayo mga guys, may alam pa ba kayong mga BEKI languages na pwede nating i-add sa list natin? Put it on the comment section below and sabay natin pag-aralan ang BEKI language. So there you go guys, I hope you like this video and please don't forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up. And if you haven't followed me on my social media accounts yet, here are my social media accounts. Once again, this is Scott and you are watching MisterCMT.